Good morning students, welcome back to your English class. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is Tea from Assam, written by Arup Kumar. It is very very interesting chapter and it is a story which tells about tea. So first of all, let's discuss the characters. Rajveer, Pranjal, both are youngsters and friends. Pranjal's dad, who is the manager of a tea estate in Dhakyabari. It is in Assam. So these are the three main characters of this story. So let's discuss about the chapter. It is very interesting. It is totally dedicated to tea. So let's start. Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, and Rajveer, his classmate in Delhi. Both are studying in Delhi. Now they got summer vacations and Pranjal offered Rajveer to let's come with me this summer vacation. We'll enjoy a lot in the tea estates. So let's see how they had a journey. They sit in the train and when train about to start, they ordered 2 cups of tea. While sipping tea, Rajveer told a really wonderful truth about tea, and it is over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world. So it's really a big number. 80 crore cups in a single day throughout the world. Then when train pulled out, Rajveer is really very excited to see the tea estate. But Pranjal, who was born and brought up in Assam, is not much excited about it. So Pranjal buried his nose in his novel, in his detective novel. When train moves on, Rajveer was more interested in looking at the greenery outside. So he started looking outside the window, and when he was looking outside the window, what he see? There is green everywhere, means there are a lot of tea plants outside, and far away there are densely woods. So it really gives a very magnificent view to Rajveer. When the train moved forward, Rajveer saw a tea garden and he cried with exclamation. Means he really surprised to see such a beautiful tea garden. And then he looks toward Pranjal. He doesn't give any kind of reaction because Pranjal know about this thing. Then Rajveer started talking with Pranjal. He told him that tea was first drunk in China in 2700 BC, means around 5000 years back. So tea is drank by the people of whole world around 5 years back. Till now we love to have tea. So it's really very interesting. There are so many stories regarding tea, from which we have 2 main stories. One is of Indian legend and second one is Chinese. Let's discuss about it. The Chinese legend. There was a Chinese emperor. He always boiled water before drinking it. So he loved to drink boiled water. One day leaves of some twigs used for burning fell into the pot. So some leaves which they put for the burning, they fell into the pot. They give the water a delicious flavor. It is said that those leaves were tea leaves. So by this, that emperor got the tea. And this story is led to this thing, that tea was firstly introduced in China in 2700 BC and by that emperor. And the other legend is of India. There was a Buddhist, Bodhidharma. His name was Bodhidharma. He often felt sleepy during his meditations. So to recover that thing, he cut off his eyelids here. He put a cut here. It is said that 10 tea plants grow on his eyelids. The leaves of these plants, when put in hot water, it gives a really wonderful taste and also banished his sleep. So So because of these two legends, people thought that tea was introduced. And now let's discuss about the plants, or the way we know that there are small bushes of tea plants and the way they pluck. Actually the labor which work in these tea gardens, they are different from the other labor. How they pluck the plants? The tea pluckers wear plastic aprons and they carry bamboo baskets in their back. They pluck the newly sprouted leaves and put them in the basket, and which used for preparing tea. So this is the way they used tea plants for tea. Now when both of them arrive at the station, Rajveer, who is really very excited to visit that tea garden, he meet to Pranjal's father, who is manager at Dhekiawari. When they meet, Rajveer told him lot of things about tea. Before reaching there, Rajveer did lot of work or gathered lot of information regarding tea, which impressed Pranjal's father a lot. So this is a small story of Rajveer and Pranjal, which they discuss during his journey about tea. Means they show that tea is really an important part of every human life. We all love to have tea, but in Assam, people got really superior quality of tea. And in all over the world, around 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day. So this is a small story, hope you guys understand it. Kindly go through the questions and try to do it by your own. If you have any confusion, you want to ask anything, you can ask me. Take care. Thank you.